Hi, I'm Dr. Osman. Dear colleagues, while preparing the mock-up, we may need to manage the soft tissue. In order to level the gingival contours, sometimes a gingivectomy should be performed. It's much easier and more precise using a gingivectomy guide. The only thing to do is place the guide and do the surgery. And it's possible to prepare the gingivectomy guide using Blender software. We can define the thickness and the area so everything is under our control. We can do it without any paid add-on. Everything is possible with Blender. I hope you liked the video. You can see some cases and more on my Instagram account. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe. If you have any questions or want more information, please leave a comment below. Hope to meet you someday. Bye.